Can you guess who I am? What about Kason? I'm Papa Smurf. And I'm Smurfette. Hi guys, welcome back to the Daya Daily. Hey, that's my line. Whoops. We got a fun video for you guys today. We love the Smurf movies, so we decided to do Smurfs. Now, if you want to see how to get this look, just keep on watching. We're going to start on our blue face paint. I'm going to start on my white. I haven't done face paint for a while, so. Okay, I'm done. Just kidding. Just a beard. Start by drawing the white beard outline. I'm going to be doing my mustache with this gray, just to do the outline. Now we're gonna turn Kason into a Smurf. Oh, much better. I'm a Smurf. Now we're gonna do my white eyebrows, guys. Now I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using the blues from this palette. This colorful palette is from NYX. I like when eyeshadow's on top of my face paint because it feels soft, really soft. I'm gonna add a little shadow to my nose. I'm using the dark blue in Daya's palette. That makes my nose look round. I'm using a little shadow for my contour. I'm gonna round my nose out. Smurfette kind of has just a little bit of blush, so I'm just doing a little. My mom's gonna do my eyebrows and I'm gonna do some mascara. Smurfette has really thin eyebrows, so we wanted to make it look cartoony like hers. I'm gonna go get my hat on. Okay. Smurfette has 3 little eyelashes right here, so we're gonna do that with a liquid liner. I like that. Now I'm using this highbrow in my waterline. It's gonna make my eyes bigger. It's gonna make my eyes appear more white like hers are. I'm gonna use a makeup wipe to get the blue off my lips. Smurfette actually has blue lips, but you can do it like that if you want to, but I just decided to do red lips because it makes her a little fancier. I'm using this red lips from Sephora. I'm gonna get the rest of my costume on and Kason. Here's the final look, guys. What do you think, guys? Which movie do you like the best? Smurfs or the Smurfs and the Lost Village? Please give this video a thumbs up if you like this look. Yeah. And subscribe to Daya's channel. Subscribe. And if you didn't know already, Kason has a new channel. Yep, I do. Click here to subscribe to his channel. Thanks, guys. We love you guys. Bye.